Ever felt your heart race, palms sweat, and mind go blank the moment you need to speak English in front of others? You're not alone. But here's the truth: confidence in English isn't about perfect grammar or fancy vocabulary. It's about mastering your mindset and using simple strategies that can turn that anxiety into real confidence. And today, I'll show you exactly how. When you're asked to speak English, your brain often treats it like a dangerous situation. This triggers the fight or flight response: racing heart, sweaty palms, dry throat. The biggest culprits: fear of judgment, making mistakes, or simply forgetting words. Imagine you're in a meeting, everyone's eyes on you, and suddenly your mind goes completely blank. That's your anxious brain at work. To beat anxiety, you first need to rewire how you think. Instead of, "I'll make a mistake," start telling yourself, "Every mistake is a step forward." Try visualization. Before a presentation, close your eyes and imagine yourself speaking fluently and confidently, with people nodding in agreement. Your brain can't always tell the difference between imagination and reality. So this trick actually works. Confidence is like a muscle. You build it gradually. Start with low-stakes conversations. Talk to a shopkeeper. Chat with a friend. Slowly raise the challenge. Use the 5-second rule. The moment you get a chance to speak, count down from 5 and start talking before your brain stops you. And don't forget technology. Apps, AI tools, and online partners are great ways to practice safely. Most confidence comes from how you say things, not just what you say. Maintain eye contact, use open body language, and smile genuinely. Focus less on your performance and more on engaging with the other person. And here's a secret trick. When you're stuck, ask a clarifying question. It buys you time, keeps the conversation flowing, and shows you're actively listening. Confidence doesn't come overnight. It's a journey. Build a support system. Find study partners, language exchanges, or online communities. Track your growth. Record yourself speaking. Then notice how much better you sound after a month. And celebrate small wins. Even a 30-second confident reply is progress. Remember, confidence in English is not a gift. It's a skill. And like any skill, you can train it. So next time your anxious brain says, "Don't speak, you'll mess up," or push back. Use these techniques, practice often, and you'll find your voice growing stronger every day. Speaking confidently in English isn't about being perfect. It's about being you, without fear. Thank you for listening to Speak English with Vaibhav. If you found this episode helpful, make sure to follow, share it with your friends, and join me again for more simple and practical tips to unlock your confident English.